We're reviewing a gnome, 9+ inches in height, weighs about a pound, comes nicely packaged. This is a fishing gnome and comes in a number of colors. And we're going to carefully remove everything out of the box. Check online for further details about the makes and models you are looking for. This is great for those quiet ponds, landscape areas. Put it around your area to sit on a base. Look at the details of the fish. It has a hook in its mouth, eyes, the coloring, and excellent detail. Has a brown hat, white beard, an area to put the fishing pole into. Just carefully align and secure. We're going to place the gnome outside on the landscape and show you what it looks like. The gnome is made of ceramics, metal, and fishing line. The gnome sits in a pond, catching a fish, decorates the garden. Different types of ornaments also can be found, like cats, metal structures, and different colors of gnomes. Check online for further details about your product. The gnome decorates your landscape as nicely as you could put anywhere in your garden area. I hope you enjoy your gnome, no matter where you are looking to decorate, your front of the house, windowsill, your backyard, your pond, and more. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.